In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use repeating groups in Bubble.io. If you're looking to showcase lists of items, like products or user entries, in your Bubble applications, understanding how to work with repeating groups is essential. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Bubble.io. Once you find the link, go ahead and click on it to access the Bubble platform. Once you're on the website, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to pause for a moment to create one. Bubble offers a lot of powerful tools, so it's worth considering. After logging in, navigate to the Data tab. Here you'll find the Data Types section, which is where we'll start shaping the structure of the information we want to use. To illustrate, let's create a new data type called Product. This will represent the items you want to display in your repeating group. Next, we need to define the structure of our new Product data type. Start by adding fields to it. For instance, you might add a field called Name and set its type to text. Another field could be Price, for which you should select the number type. These fields will allow us to store and later display detailed information about each product. With our data type established, it's time to populate it with some entries. Head over to the App Data section. This is where you add actual data entries for your product type. By inputting information here, you'll have tangible data to showcase using the repeating group. Now, let's head over to the Design tab. Here, you'll look for the repeating group element, which is located under the Containers section. Go ahead and select it. It's time to visually craft our group. Draw the repeating group onto your page where you want the list of products to appear. Once placed, click on the newly created repeating group. You'll see a property editor pop up, which allows us to set its options. First, you need to define the type of content. Select your product data type for this purpose. At this point, we must tell the repeating group where to fetch its data. Under Data Source, use the Do a Search For expression. This is a powerful tool, allowing you to pull a specific set of information from your database. In our example, you'll choose Do a Search For, followed by Products, directing the group to display the product entries you added earlier. With the basic setup complete, you can now add additional elements into the first cell of your repeating group. This could be text elements for product names, images for product photos, or anything else relevant to the content you want to display. Finally, you can further control the appearance and behavior of your repeating group via its property editor. Adjust dimensions, appearance, or even styling preferences to ensure it fits seamlessly into your design. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've learned how to effectively use repeating groups in Bubble.io, unlocking the ability to display dynamic lists of data in your application. Thanks for watching, and happy building.